Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable all the judges in this conference, the Honorable all the committee in this conference, and the Honorable to all the presenters in this conference. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Rahma Indraswati from Faculty Economy State University of Jakarta, DKI Jakarta, Indonesia. So today I want to present about my research, and the title is The Influence of Self-Identity and Self-Potential on Life Goals, College Student in Jabodetabek Area. So here we go. The first one is we talk about abstract. COVID-19 causes college students difficult to develop and recognize their potential. Indonesia. I'm sorry for the mistake. Indonesia will experience demographic bonus in 2045. College students should recognize and be confident in its potential. But the reality at this time, college students are not entirely sure of their ability. The data collected is primary data taken through surveys to college students in Jabodetabek area. And based on survey conducted, as many 21 of 160 respondents know the potential, and the 31 of 160 respondents are confident in their potential. So, based on the survey, it can be concluded that there are still a few college students who are know and confident in their potential. So we next to introduction. Being college student should know about self-identification to design the future and know the characteristic of her personality. Many of the students are complacent with the situation and end up lazy to find out about it. Based on the survey I conducted, most students in Jabodetabek doubt whether they already know themselves well. Self-potential is also an aspect that every student must know. Self-potential can be in the form of knowledge or abilities possessed. Based on the survey I conducted, most students feel unsure and hesitant when discussing their potential. Many students now know that self-potential is a very essential and important, but have not been able to implement in everyday life. In addition, at this age, should already know about the long-term plan that will be done in the future. To plan life goals and long-term targets, one must first know their identity and know their potential. When both things can be known, it becomes easier to plan the purpose of life. But the problem is that college students do not know their identity and potential to the maximum. So many of the students are still questioning the purpose of life and how to find about it. Okay, next we talk about self-identity. Self-identity is a complete unity of each individual outlook and way of life, starting from how the individual positions himself according to his belief, abilities, hopes, and personal goals, and give meaning to himself as a unique person who is stable and separate from others. Ramadanu suggests that factors influence the process of self in the identity formation is namely parenting, homogeneity, environment, models for identification, experience, childhood, the development of cognition, individual traits, and ethnic identity. Self-potency. Potential is an essential ability that is owned by everyone that become a characteristic of each individual. Indicators in self-potential are learning from mistakes, introspection, having a firm attitude, being relaxed, daring to correct mistake, not blaming others, and having a sincere attitude. Life goals. The purpose of life is what a person has planned for his life, whether today, tomorrow, to a long-term plan. Everyone's life goals will be different according to the needs of each individual. Some experts say that someone who has a purpose in life already has an identity in living their daily life. So, how to find your purpose in life? The first one is focus on specific action that can make you happy. By taking action that we think are important, we were walking toward to the purpose of life that we expect. And the second one is go away from media social for a while. Sometimes when we open up social media and play with social media, we end up comparing the success of the other, and staying away from social media is the right step to calm your mind and Okay, the next one is ask these three questions to determine our life goals. The first one, what do I want to leave to those around me? Is it a helpful science or something else? What things should I fight for? Is that money or success, dream or anything? And the third one is what is the difference between them and me? And only you who know the answer. So answer the question. Okay, we next to research methods. The population in this study were college students in Indonesia with affordable population are 160 college students in regional of Jabodetabek, Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, and also Bekasi. And sample for this research is the authors took a sample with Slovene formula by 5% error rate. There is 110 respondents. This sampling technique uses probability sampling technique by means of simple random sampling. And the method is quantitative methods, a research method by using statistical methods used to collect quantitative data from research studies. And data analysis, in this study, the author used the SPSS application to test the hypothesis of the research to be carried out. And the hypothesis is self-identity has a positive significant influence on life goals. And the second one, self-potential has a positive significant influence on life goals. Yeah, we next to result and discussion. Based on the table, the t-test for self-identity and self-potential on life goals, hypothesis testing of self-identity on life goals is declared accepted. All the value of this t-test shows positive value. It means all these variables, self-identity and self-potential, had a positive significant influence on life goals. Yeah, this table is about coefficient of determination of self-identity, and self-potential on life goals. Based on the table, the effect of self-identity and self-potential simultaneously on life goals is 35.5%, while the remaining is 64.5% is influenced by other variables. So the conclusion is in this research, we use self-identity. I use self-identity to for X1, self-potential for X2, and life goals for Y variable. And the conclusion is the first. Self-identity has a positive and significant influence on the life goals. So, it can be concluded that self-identity is one of the factors that can affect the life goals. The second one, self-potential has a positive and significant influence on life goal. So, it can be concluded that self-potential is one of the factors that can affect the life goals. For this result, The other conclude that the life goals is indispensable for college students to get know themselves better and will be easily done to know themselves start from now about the identity and potential of yourself. So it's all for me. Thank you for your attention and I'm sorry for my mistake. Be happy, keep healthy, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.